Concrete is one of the most widely used construction materials in the world. It is used in all sorts of construction projects, ranging from small houses to skyscrapers. Concrete has some useful characteristics, such as concrete is easy to manufacture, it is very strong and durable, it is also fire resistant and weather resistant, and the most important thing is that it can be molded into any shape. Because of these characteristics, concrete is a very useful material for construction. In this video, you will find out how concrete is made. 3 ingredients are needed to make concrete: cement, aggregate, and water. Some people consider cement and concrete to be the same material. This is not correct. Cement is one of the 2 main ingredients used in concrete. It is made up of limestone, clay, and sand. Aggregate is the second ingredient used in concrete, which is made up of sand and gravel. In general, concrete consists of about 60 to 75% aggregate, 14 to 21% water, 7 to 15% cement, and up to 8% air. The process of making concrete starts with the manufacturing of cement. Limestone, sand, and clay required for making cement are extracted from the mines and transported to the production plant. The raw material is ground into a powder form in a mill. The raw material is then heated in a kiln at a temperature of 14 to 1600 degrees Celsius to form a stone-like substance called clinker. The clinker is left to cool in the storage room. Then it is ground into a powder. This powder is called dry cement. Cement and water are then mixed to form a paste. Aggregate made of sand and gravel is added to this mixture and mixed well. This produces liquid concrete. After the concrete is mixed, it is poured into molds, vibrated to remove air bubbles, and left to cure. Curing is the chemical reaction between cement and water. As a result of this chemical reaction, the concrete hardens and takes the shape of the mold. Concrete is widely used in buildings because it is very strong in compression, meaning it can withstand the heavy weight placed on it. But it is relatively weak in tension, meaning it breaks when bent or stretched. To overcome this weakness, steel rods called rebars are added inside the concrete, which increases the tensile strength of the concrete. Then it does not break when it is bent or stretched. Such concrete is called reinforced concrete. Although reinforced concrete is better than normal concrete, it can still crack in tension. A technique called prestressing is used to further increase its strength. Under this technique, tension is applied to the steel bars and then concrete is poured on them. When the concrete hardens completely, the tension is removed from the bars, which pulls the bars inward and compresses the concrete. Doing so further increases the strength of the concrete. This type of concrete is called pre-stressed concrete. The use of concrete for construction is not new. If we look at history, it is known that the concrete was also used in the Egyptian pyramids, built in 3000 BC, and the Great Wall of China, built between 400 and 800 BC. If we talk about today's era, there is hardly any building in which concrete is not used. Burj Khalifa of Dubai must be mentioned at this point because it is the tallest concrete building in the world, with a length of 828 meters. 45,000 cubic meters of concrete has been used in its base, and 330,000 cubic meters of concrete for the tower. Concrete is truly a wonderful material that has played an important role in shaping our modern world. Due to its strength and versatility, it will continue to be used in bridges, dams, buildings, and other big construction projects in the future.